finding a COVID test is not that easy to do these days.
And some people might be hiking up the prices to sell the kits, and that's something North Carolina's Attorney General wants to stop.
Attorney General Josh Stein is with us this morning on how his office is looking to stop COVID test price gouging. Thanks so much for your time this morning.
Good morning.
How do you even know what, I guess, the typical price for an at-home COVID test is so that then you know if there is price gouging going on?
Yeah, that's a great question. Typically, these tests have been going for about $20 to $24 for two, $10 to $12 for one. Now, sometimes they're more than that. What we're concerned about is any seller out there who wants to take advantage of this moment to just make a quick buck. You know, most of the sellers are just trying to serve their customers, but there are some who are greedy, and we want them to know we're on the lookout.
And what is that line for when it is considered price gouging from your office?
So we're in a declared state of emergency right now, which triggers North Carolina's price gouging law. And what the law says is that a seller cannot charge an unreasonably excessive price for a product like a test that we all need to be healthy and well. So there's not a fixed percentage that we can look to and know that it's price gouging. It's one of those things where you kind of know it when you see it.
Now, is this just for North Carolina businesses? Does this go? This does not take into effect Amazon. Now, there's a lot of people trying to get these on Amazon, and I've seen two test kits for $80-something, which seems unreasonable. But this is just North Carolina businesses.
No, it's actually any business that sells to a North Carolinian. So if you're a seller, even if you're outside the state, but you're selling to a North Carolinian, that North Carolinian is protected under our law. And that's what we want people to file complaints for, so that if they are seeing outrageous prices like that, we can follow up, because there is a chance that the price increase is legitimate. Maybe the cost to the business went up. And so in that case, it's okay for them to pass it on to you. But if they got the kits at the same price as what they used to get them, and now they're just jacking it up because you and I are in a desperate situation, that's when price gouging occurs, and that's when we'll take action.
How does someone go about filing one of these complaints with your office if they do, the sticker shock gets them?
It's very easy. Online, ncdoj.gov/price gouging, or we have a toll-free number, which is 1-877-5-NO-SCAM.
And before we let you go, we know it's a busy day at the Supreme Court with the vaccine mandate hearing. Will you be watching those hearings closely, and what comes of that?
Yes, absolutely. We want to know what the Supreme Court's view of the matter is. Here's the thing. This Omicron, this whole COVID problem, it's slowing us all down. It's ruining our lives. If we want to get past this, folks just need to get vaccinated, get the booster, and then when you're going into a big crowd, take a test, and that way you know you're not carrying the virus with you to other people. We want this in the rearview mirror as quickly as possible.
Well, we will be watching right alongside you, Attorney General Josh Stein. Thank you for what you're doing to keep our state safe and for trying to keep those prices down. And thanks for your time today on Good Day Charlotte.
Yeah, appreciate your interest.